How to make WhatsApp always vibrate, not ring. To make WhatsApp always vibrate and never ring, you need to turn off the sounds within the WhatsApp app and ensure your phone's notification settings permit vibration. First of all, open the application itself, tap on this three-dotted menu icon on the top right corner, then head to the settings option. From here, head to notifications. You will find this notification ping. Go ahead and tap on this and set it to silent or none. Once you've done so, all you have to do is tap on this vibrate option and you can select the range of your vibration as well, short or long. Once you select it, tap OK. Repeat this step by tapping on this group options as well. Now once you're done, all you have to do is head backwards and now WhatsApp will send you notification and it will not ring but it will vibrate. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.